Hi boys and girls, welcome to Story Time. I'm Miss Mariela. I'm the head teacher for the City of Diamond Bar's Tiny Tots program, and today I want to read you a story. This story is called Skeleton Hiccups by Marjorie Kyler. Skeleton woke up. He had the hiccups. Hic, hic, hic. He took a shower. Hic, hic, hic. He brushed his teeth. Hic, hic, hic. He polished his bones. Hic, hic, hic. He carved a pumpkin. Hic, hic, hic. He raked some leaves. Hic, hic, hic. He played with ghost. Hic, hic, hic. Ghost told the skeleton, "Hold your breath. Eat some sugar. Hic, hic, hic. Press your fingers over your eyeballs. Hic, hic, hic. Drink some water. Upside down. Hic, hic, hic." Ghost made a face and said boo to the skeleton, but he still had the hiccups. Nothing worked with the hiccups. The hiccups stayed. Then the ghost got smart. He found a mirror. He held it up. Hic. And the skeleton screamed, "Ah!" And the hiccups left. Hic, hic, hic. They jumped away. Hooray! I hope you enjoyed this book. I sure did. Take care. We'll see you next time.